Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. On the channel today, it's my part 2, video number 2 in my deep cleaning spring series for 2025. So you know what to do. Just keep watching. And if you're new, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. So without further ado, let's get to the deep cleaning. You already know this water is about 1,000 degrees. Anyway, we're starting off with cabinet number 1. In this cabinet, I house juice glasses, mugs, insulated glasses, and those infamous North Carolina cups from my games in Chapel Hill. Anyway, it's a total mess and needs my attention. Now, does anyone else have this problem, or is it just me? Decluttering is removing unnecessary items from a space to create a more organized and functional environment. I'm using the 12-12-12 rule. I find 12 items to throw away, 12 to donate, and 12 to put back in its proper place. Next, I'm using the 5-second rule. If I can't remember the last time I used it within 5 seconds, well, I'm getting rid of it. That means I don't like it, I don't want it, and I don't need it.
To see you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there.
Time to organize this cabinet, and this time, well, I'm only putting in the pretty stuff.
You see how I take care of the sparrow. I do it all for you to prove I gotcha. You see how I'm still painting the rainbow, so don't let go of me. Drawing close, all out desperately when you need me the most. I am God, I'm your own. Don't let go. Keep holding on.
Mom and I made a Sam's Club run and picked up some of our favorite items. We purchased canned corn, beef stew, and baked beans. Now time to organize them in my cabinet. To all of my loyal subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by the channel on today, and one big hug from me to you. Now, if you're new here, welcome. I am Katrina. I am a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor. And on my channel, my lifestyle channel, I love sharing home decor, cooking, tablescapes, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. So if these are things that interest you, you know what I need you to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. This is where I ended day one of my deep cleaning of my kitchen. The next day, I got up early in the morning and cleaned behind and under my fridge, as well as I gave my refrigerator a deep cleaning. Now, I didn't show it to you on this video, but here is a detailed video of how I clean my refrigerator, and I'll make sure to link that video in the description box below for your viewing pleasure.
You see how I'm still painting the rainbow, so don't let go of me. Drawing close, all out desperately when you need me the most. I am God, I'm your own. Don't let go. Keep holding on.
I hope this video brings you inspiration and motivation to declutter and organize a few of your kitchen cabinets, if not all, during this spring season. On your way out, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless.